So this is my American Tiple. I just changed the strings, so this tuning's still sort of adjusting, so forgive the sort of wet tuning. It's normally got 10 strings, but I took 2 of them off, so it's 8 strings, so it's more like a mandolin, but it's still in ukulele tuning, so G, C, E, A. I got a girl at the head of the creek, and I'm going to see her about the middle of the week. Kiss her on the mouth, just as sweet as wine. Wraps up around me like a sweet potato vine. Going up the Cripple Creek, going on a run. Going up the Cripple Creek, I'm off to have some fun. Going up the Cripple Creek, going to the world. Going up the Cripple Creek, I'm off to see my girl. I got a girl at the head of the creek, and I'm going up to see her about the middle of the week. Kiss her on the mouth, just as sweet as wine. Wraps up around me like a sweet potato vine. Going up the Cripple Creek, going on a run. Going up the Cripple Creek, off to have some fun. Going up the Cripple Creek, going on the world. Going up the Cripple Creek, I'm off to see my girl. I went down to Cripple Creek to see what them girlies had to eat. I got drunk and fell against the wall. The old corn liquor was the cause of it all. Going up the Cripple Creek, going on a run. Going up the Cripple Creek, off to have some fun. Going up the Cripple Creek, going on a whirl. Going up the Cripple Creek, I'm off to see my girl. Cripple Creek's wide and Cripple Creek's deep. I'll wade up Cripple Creek in my sleep. Roll my bridges up to my knees. I go in Cripple Creek when I please. Still need to wait for the tuning to settle, but it's sounding pretty nice.